Magic words have a special power and effect. These are simple words which shows good manners and sense of responsibility. Today we will learn about magic words. Thank you. If someone give you anything, you should say thank you. Your parents, grandparents give you anything, you should say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please, if you use this word, this shows respect for others. When you want anything from anyone, you should say please. Please give me a water. Please give me a pencil. Sorry. When you are doing something wrong, you should feel sorry and say sorry. These are magic words you should use in your daily. Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today I am start English class. Today is your English class. Today we will start one new letter. Before starting the new letter, we will revise the previous letters. A. This is capital A. Cursive A. A says A. A says A. A for ant. Apple. Arm. This is my arm. Aeroplane. Aeroplane flies in the sky. A for axe. A for angel. A says A. A says A. C. C. Capital C. Small cursive C. C says K. C says K. C for car. C for computer. C for red cherry. Cherry is a summer fruit. C for cup. C for camel. Camel is called ship of desert. C for cat. C for cat. C says K. E. Capital E. Small cursive E. E says A. E says A. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eyes. Eyes. How many eyes? We have 2 eyes. E for engine. E for eagle. Eagle is a bird. It's very dangerous. I. Small cursive I. I says E. E for iron. E for ink pot. E for igloo. E for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. E for inchy tape. Tailor used the inchy tape to measure the clothes. L. Small cursive L. L says L. L says L. L for lion. Lion is the king of forest. L for leaf. L for ladder. L for lock. L for lotus. Lotus is national flower. L for lamp. L for lamp. M. Small m. Capital M. M says M. M for monkey. M for mango. M for mirror. M for men. M for mouse. M for mobile. M for moon. M for moon. N. N. Capital N. Small cursive N. N says N. N for newspaper. N for nib. N for nest. N for nuts. N for nurse. N for necklace. Your mama wear a necklace. N for nail cutter. We use nail cutter for cutting of nails. N says N. O. O. Capital O, small cursive O. O says O. O for ox. O for octopus. O for owl. O for onion. O for ostrich. Ostrich is a bird. O for orange. R. R says R. Capital R, small r. R says R. R for rainbow. R for rocket. R for radish. R for ring. R for refrigerator. R for rabbit. S. S says Sir. S for sunflower. S for stamp. S for sheep. Sheep give us wool. S for sun. S for spider. S for squirrel. U. U says U for umbrella. U for urn. U for utensils. U for uniflower. V. V says V. V says V. V for vulture. V for van. V for vegetable. We should eat green vegetables daily. V for vacuum pump. We use this for cleaning our home or cleaning the carpet or sofa. V for violin. V for vase. W. W says Vah. W for watch. W for wheel. W for woman. W for whale. W for watermelon. W for wolf. W for washing machine. We use washing machine to clean the clothes, to wash the clothes. Okay kids, today we will start one new letter. Today's topic is letter B. B says ba, ba, ba. B for ball, B for bed, B for balloon and B for banana. B says ba, ba, ba. Letter B. B. B says B. B says B. These are the pictures related to letter B. B for ball. B for ball. You have seen a ball? You play with ball. Ball bounce, bounce, bounce. B says B. B for ball. B for bus. Bus is a vehicle. We use bus to go somewhere. So many people travel in a bus and at the same time. B for bus. B for bat. B for bat. We play with bat. Have you seen the bat? B for butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. Butterfly is an insect with colorful wings. B for balloon. Balloon flies in the sky. B for balloon. B for banana. B for banana. Banana is a fruit which have no seed. Banana give us calcium. B for banana. B for boot. Boot is just like a shoes but it's long. B for boot. B for boots. I will show you some more things with letter B. This is book. B for book. B for book. Bottle. B for bottle. B for bottle. B says B. Let's revise. B says B. B for ball. B for bat. B for butterfly. B for bus. B for balloon. B for boot. B for banana. B for book. B for book. B for bottle. Okay kids? Now we will write letter B in our English notebook, that is orange notebook. This is your orange notebook. So we will write letter B. B says B. So here you will write down the date and CW on the same line. आज मैम नहीं डालेगी. देखते हैं कौन कौन बेबीज अपने आप डेट डालते हैं. You should make a habit of write down the date and CW on the top line. After that you will start the work. तो अब हम फर्स्ट लाइन से क्या लिखेंगे? B. तो मैंने आपको पहले लास्ट क्लास में लेटर L सिखाया था ना, उसी सिंपल से L से हम क्या बनाएंगे? लेटर B. तो पहले हम L बना लेते हैं. Make a slant line, slightly curve, make 1. इसको बिल्कुल 1 की तरह लाएंगे. स्लाइटली सा कर्व, टच द ब्लू लाइन. ये हमारा बन गया लेटर L. अब मुझे L से ही क्या बनाना है? B. तो हमने क्या करना है? जब हमने इस ब्लू लाइन को टच किया तो स्लाइटली सा डाउन, गो अपवर्ड एंड टच द ब्लू लाइन. फिर से मैम आपको बताती है. ये आपको मैंने कल L बनाना सिखाया था, उसको हम स्लाइटली सा डाउन लाएंगे और गो अपवर्ड एंड टच द ब्लू लाइन. अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. फर्स्ट यू विल मेक अ लेटर L. This is letter L. Slightly down on the same line, take a curve, go and touch the blue line. Again this is letter B. B says ba. Again I will explain you. First you will write letter L. Slowly downwards, make a small curve, touch the blue line. This is letter B. B says ba. One thing more, कोई भी बेबी ऐसे नहीं लिखेगा. ये दिस इज रॉन्ग वे. ऐसे L नहीं बनाएंगे. आपका L बिल्कुल 1 की तरह स्ट्रेट आएगा. अगर वो स्ट्रेट नहीं आएगा तो L भी रॉन्ग और B भी रॉन्ग. उसको हमने टर्न किया, ब्लू लाइन पे टच किया, स्लोली डाउन, मेक अ कर्व, टच द ब्लू लाइन. Okay kids, you will write 1 page of letter B and paste the pictures related to letter B in your orange notebook. Take a pic and send it to your class teacher. Bye.